is, it's that time. We finally got a day where every bunny rabbit ain't getting drowned in North Georgia from the rain. It's finally warm. It's about a solid 65 today, and we're loving it. So, with that being said, we are going to test out the Longbeard XRs versus some of this federal TSS. Now, the craze has been for the past 3 or 4 years, TSS or nothing. If you ain't shooting TSS, you ain't turkey hunting. Okay, well, that may be the case. And I've seen these TSSs perform in person. I know they kill. My daddy says when he shoots them with TSS, it knocks them off their feet. I have seen it. I know they kill. But I've been shooting 3.5 inch number 6s, Longbeards, for like 3 years now, 4 or 5 years maybe. I've been shooting them out of a 3.5 inch Super X3. So this year I decided to go with my old 1300 3 inch with a Jeb's 655 on the end of it. I've been shooting a 655 for the past few years, so it's just what I like. That's what I'm trying, and we're gonna see what it's about. I know there's 100 different brands of TSS you can use, but I'm shooting these Federals. That's just what I had available, and against these 1 3/4 ounce 6s, 3 inch. So I got a target down there at 45 yards. I'm pretty confident that I could kill one with these 6s at 55 with this 3 inch gun. But 45, pretty good. Which one of these shoots the best at 45 yards is what I'm gonna be hunting with all year. And if it's this TSS, then I'll keep one of these in the chamber and I'll put a couple of these for backup. So let's dive right into this, man. I'm pretty excited to see. Three inch Longbeard number 6 going in the pipe. Fire in the hole! Oh, one thing for sure, you definitely don't feel it whenever you're shooting at a turkey, but goodness. The whole target just went woof, erupted, so I'm pretty confident that that's a dead turkey. There's a bunch of holes. Looks like a bunch of the shot went high. We'll count them up here in a second. So I counted them all up, and I've got 47 hits inside the turkey's head here. I'm not exactly sure how many pellets they put in the shell. Most of my shot went a little high. That could have been me, but there is a lot of pellets that hit the target about right in this area. So 47 pellets at 45 yards with no rest, just offhand. Now for the federal TSS. 7 and 8 shot. Like I said, this is just what I could find readily available. So I know there's like a whole bunch of different kind of federals and apexes and ninja, all kinds of stuff. So this is just what I had. This is what I could find. Let's do it. I'm gonna try to aim a little lower. That time I know for a fact I was aiming like right where his head meets his neck. I probably would aim down there at the wattles a little bit. But anyway, we're gonna send it. I'm scared. Interested to see, no doubt. Fire in the hole! Well, at first glance, I'm a little surprised. Let's count these up. Oh, that is done. I was honestly expecting the TSS to just kind of put a ton of pellets in the turkey. Let's get this out of the way. This is not a rule that applies to every shotgun, every choke, everything like that. All those are different variables that have to come into play whenever you're doing this. This is just out of a 1300 655 Jeb's Headhunter choke. Your gun probably shoots way different with a different choke, everything. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get that out there. But this is what we've got. The Longbeards at 45 yards put 47 pellets in the turkey, and I counted one little straggler right here. The TSS at 45 yards put in 40 pellets in the head, and I counted another straggler in the tail fan. I didn't count these in the tail fan out here. What I did notice is that, now, like I said, this is freehanding and it may be a little off, but I mean, that right there is hard to beat from a Longbeard number 6 at 45 yards. But it's not that much of a difference. Now, like I said, I'm not trying to say that TSS ain't it. I'm just saying that those 7s and 8s out of my gun, to me, they shoot about as good, but not as good, based off the paper. And if I counted what was in these yellow circles, the Longbeards would blow it out of the water. Could I kill a turkey with those TSS shells? Absolutely, no doubt. Could I, I would probably push that out to 50 yards, 55 yards, because I've killed turkeys with 6s at 65 yards. Now, I do not recommend shooting that far, but I have done it. Are they better? I don't know. I mean, I've seen a buddy of mine body shoot one with TSS's one time, and it blowed the feathers like into the breast. I mean, I know they pack a punch. But for me, I don't know. I'm going hunting in Florida in 2 days, so I kind of got to figure it out. I'll probably put just because I bought them TSS's and they were so expensive, probably put one in and try it. But I mean, them Longbeard number 6s XRs, son. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Drop it in the comments. What's the best combo? Choke combo for 1300s if you shoot one. I got a Winchester Super X3 and Super X4. Drop the best combo for chokes in them. Tell me what you guys are shooting before turkey season. I don't know, boys. I don't know. I'll leave it up to y'all. But with that being said, y'all check me out on Instagram at Tater Ridge TV. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a Grand Slam turkey vest. The one that says NWTF on the front. It's like the first year model they started making those vests. Good vest. Giving it away for free on my Instagram. So go check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. I love each and every one of you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give this video a like if you want to. Till next time. The next time you'll see me, it'll be in Florida. We're hunting Osceola turkeys. See ya.